If you are a content creator, this is a must-have. It's from MOVO, and I want to thank that company for sending me this sample to try out so that I could make a shoppable video. When you get it and take it out of the box, it's in this nice case. Open it up and you will see there's a place for everything. Every part has its own space. This is the sponge lining on this bottom part, and each piece fits right into their own configuration, and it's perfectly safe that way. That's a really nice case, and it's a hard case. So you have to put it together, and the first thing you do is you pull the little legs out on the tripod, set it up, then you'll put this piece on. It has a red line on the bottom, and it just screws into the top of the tripod. And then you will put the phone holder right here. That will go in next. And then on top of the phone holder, you put this little sliding part, and it screws in here. Screw it until it's tight. Then you've got a light. I'm going to turn it on. It's really bright. And there's 3 settings, but you can see it's a really bright light. And you just slide it into this little bar and put it on the end and screw it in really tight so it can't move. Then the microphone goes on the other end of that bar, and you just slide it in from this end, and you tighten up this part right here till it can't move. Then, in order for the microphone to work, you'll need to attach a cord, and it's according to what kind of phone you have, which cord you use. Several come with it. So you'll put this in like this, and the other end attaches to your phone right down here. And it's really easy to take apart, put back together, and just take it on the go if you're going to film. And this little tripod, the legs just fold right up. See that? They fold up, and then you can just pull them apart. So it's really, really a nice thing to have. If you're a content creator, you must have this. I highly recommend it.